Is what's stopping you from achieving your next level the fear of actually getting there? Well, the fear of success is a real fear, and it can be brought on by concerns about what's going to happen if you finally get what you want and you're finally at that next level of success, whatever that means for you. It could be responsibilities, it could be the fears of what people are going to say or do or think of you. There can be so many reasons why you're holding yourself back. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use EFT tapping to change that fear into motivation and excitement about your future achievements. My name is Sandra. I am the author of Tapping into Abundance using EFT tapping and the law of attraction to change your mindset and turn your life around. I help people every week overcome their negative beliefs that are keeping them stuck and stifled, so that they can confidently step into who they truly are and live a life of joy, peace, and an empowered sense of self. I do this through my one-on-one coaching, and if you do want to work with me one-on-one, I do offer a free 30-minute clarity session to help get you clear about where you are stuck. There's a link in the description field below this video for how you can book that. I have my YouTube videos here, and I also have a free masterclass called How to Heal Your Shadow Through Balancing Your Energy Centers for those of you who'd like to know more about what this inner work is and how that relates to your energy centers, also known as the chakras. The links are in the description field below this video and also on my website, mysterywitchschool.com. Success is as much of a problem for the subconscious mind that has been programmed to feel shame and guilt and fear as the fear of failure is. Don't be surprised if you may have done a lot of work on the fear of failure, but you're still not getting anywhere because you're afraid of what's going to happen if you're successful. And some of those fears could be around responsibility. So more success, more responsibility. More money, more responsibility. You could be worried about what other people think of you, what other people might do to you. That could just be a personal thing. It might be friends and family that you're worried about. It could be people trolling you if you're putting yourself out there on social media. It could just simply mean that if you want to start up a side hustle or a business, that you're a little bit afraid of how that's going to be received and how you're going to deal with customers and clients and all those kinds of things, and the responsibility associated with that and the social interactions associated with that and the potential for conflict associated with that. There can be so many reasons. There can be spiritual reasons why you don't want success. It's not spiritual to have what it is that you're wanting to have. Spiritual people shouldn't want these things, all those kinds of beliefs. So I'm going to show you how you can use EFT tapping to work through those, and any that come up for you, make sure you do extra tapping on those beliefs that come up for you. So karate chop point, repeating after me. Even though I'm afraid of success. Afraid of getting what I want. Being who I want to be. I'm okay. Even though I'm afraid of being successful. And I don't like it. I'm going to honor how I feel. Even though I'm afraid of achieving what I want to achieve. What could happen? I'm okay. Now, tapping on the points. I'm afraid of what could happen. If I'm successful. more responsibility. And that scares me. Maybe I'm worried about time, not having enough. Worried about people. The government. Taxes. Change. Life will be different. And that's a bit scary. Change can be scary. Even if it's good change. It scares me. I could be afraid of what people will think. What they'll say. They might get jealous. Tell me I'm bad or selfish in some way. That I'm a bad person for being successful. They might tell me I'm greedy. That I'm selfish. Or people might want more from me. I might feel like it's spiritually wrong to be successful. It's not humbling to be successful. Spiritual people shouldn't want success. But mostly it's the change. The me I have to be. It's scary. But what if I can be excited about it and safe at the same time? What if I can be successful and still be a good person? What if I can have more responsibility and be safe at the same time? What if I can be successful and spiritual at the same time? What if the divine is quite happy for me to be successful? What if I can be successful and still be a good person. What if I can be successful and safe at the same time? Take a deep breath, let it out. Any thoughts, feelings, or sensations that come up for you, tap on those as well. And whenever you're feeling scared of your success, or you realize that you're blocking it in some way by not taking opportunities when they come or following those creative ideas, do some tapping on the fear of success. And if you want to work one-on-one with me, do take the offer of that free clarity session. There's a link in the description field below this video for how you can do that. It'll help you get clear. And if you're wanting to do coaching with me, then certainly take up that offer, because I like to speak to people before we do coaching together. And if you're more the do-it-yourself kind of person, I do have a course that involves tapping on all of the common beliefs that may be keeping you stuck. These will be beliefs like the fear of money, the fear of how you look, the fear of standing up for yourself, the fear of speaking up for yourself, the fear of shining your light in the world, the fear of your own desires and your own wants and needs, as well as the fears that you may have about the divine not wanting you to do things or be who you truly are. It's called the Wheels of Empowerment. There's a link in the description field below this video for how you can sign up. Now, if you like the video, hit the like button, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and let me know what fears you have around success so that I can do future videos to help you overcome those fears. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.